How to set live wallpaper on Windows 10 or 11. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're gonna show you how to set a stunning live wallpaper on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So without further ado, let's go to Google right here. Let's go to Home and then let's search for live wallpaper on Google. So click on Images right here. So once you've done that, live wallpapers add a touch of dynamism and excitement to your desktop, so making it more visually appealing and engaging. Whether you want mesmerizing landscapes or animated graphics, we've got you covered. So here, let's go to Windows 10 Live Wallpaper. So once you've clicked on this, go to Website part, click on All, click on this Desktop Live Wallpapers. So get this in store for free. Open your Microsoft Store. And once you've done that, let's wait for Microsoft to do its thing. So here, let's click on Install Live Wallpapers. So here, it's now downloading. So let's wait for this to finish downloading. So here, as you can see, we are now downloading the live wallpaper right here. So let's just wait for this to finish download. Now the download is complete. We can now open this up. So you must install NetDesktop Runtime to run this application. So click on yes. So once we click on yes, it's now gonna download this part right here. So let's see what it's going to be downloaded right here. So here, let's download this one. Click on save. So once it's done, let's click on this right here. And once you've clicked on that, it will appear right here. Click on install. Let's wait for this to install this Microsoft Windows Desktop Runtime. And once it's installed, let's close this and this one. So here, let's go and find live wallpapers for us to use. So here, click on this site. Let's wait for this to load. So let's click this another site right here. So as you can see, live wallpapers, click on this one. So download this for desktop. So let's click on download. Click on save right there, and now our live wallpaper is downloaded. Go to your file manager, go to this part, click on this, and here click live wallpaper and click on the setting, video setting right here. So here, our live wallpaper is now ready, and now you can use it to your computer and to your PC. And that's it, guys, on our today's video on how to add live wallpaper on Windows 10 or 11. And also, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.